Hello, welcome back to my video. Proteins. Your body is made up of billions of cells. These cells are made mainly from protein. When you grow, your body needs protein to make new cells. Your body may need to replace old or damaged cells. You need enough protein in your food for this as well. Proteins are made up of lots of amino acids. There are about 20 different types of amino acids. Here are 2 different proteins. Can you see what makes them different? There are thousands of different proteins in our bodies, each with a different job to do. Carbohydrates. Sugars are carbohydrates. Did you know that there are different kinds of sugars? The kind of sugar you put in your tea is called sucrose. The kind of sugar that is in milk is called lactose. The sugar that our bodies use most is glucose. We need carbohydrates to give us energy. Sugars are the fuel that our bodies need. Starch is also a carbohydrate. You already know that starch is a large molecule. It is made up of lots of smaller glucose molecules joined together. What do you make when you digest starch? Plants often turn their glucose into starch to store it. Glycogen is a large carbohydrate molecule like starch. Glycogen is also made up of glucose molecules joined together. We store glycogen in our liver and muscles. Our bodies change glycogen to glucose when we need it.